Hey, I'm here.
Hey, I'm Olivia, and today we're excited to announce that Hex and ClickHouse are official partners.
Hex is the best AI analytics platform for getting trusted answers from data.
And ClickHouse is the fastest analytical database on the market. We saw a ton of ClickHouse growth amongst our customers.
And a ton of ClickHouse customers wanted Hex.
So together, we've built an integration that gives you the best of both. Let's take a look.
In Hex, you'll find a new chDB integration under your ClickHouse connection.
This is a Hex project where you can deep dive into your data with SQL, Python, and visualization tools. Right now, we're pulling in a few million rows of taxi ride data from ClickHouse. We can use Hex's agent to help us do a full analysis, diving into traffic flows.
With the new chDB integration, you can write queries in Python. These queries run directly in ClickHouse, so it doesn't need to load anything into memory when you're in a Hex project.
Here, we can see the agent used chDB to generate an analysis and even took the time to create a beautiful visual for us. Since we're in Hex, it's super easy to turn this into something you can share with everyone in your organization.
We piggyback off the database connection created in Hex, so you don't have to expose any credentials like connection strings.
So Mihir, why is ClickHouse so fast for agentic analytics?
Well, from the beginning, ClickHouse was designed for high concurrency over large volumes of data. It has a number of features under the hood, like smart caching and columnar data stores, to enable this scale. These features make it ideal for user-facing analytics and, by extension, agent-facing analytics.
If you're a ClickHouse customer, you now have easy access to the world's best AI analytics platform.
And if you use Hex, you have a first-class integration with ClickHouse and its embedded Pythonic counterpart, chDB.
Try it out for free here.
We piggyback based.
Love it.
We piggy-based. You love that?
Piggyback based
All right, we know what's
data
going in the
connection
bloopers
string.
at the end.
Oh no.